In Houston, fresh air is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. With long, humid summers and mild winters, homeowners are always looking for ways to improve comfort without driving up energy costs. One smart and stylish solution is installing bay windows. While many people love bay windows for their elegant appearance and expanded views, they also offer a practical benefit that's especially valuable in Southeast Texas: improved ventilation. If you're looking for a way to make your Houston home feel cooler, fresher, and more comfortable, bay windows may be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Designed to capture more airflow, bay windows typically consist of 3 window panels that project outward from your home's exterior wall. The center panel is often fixed, while the 2 side panels can be operable, usually in a casement or double-hung style. Because of their angled design, bay windows can catch breezes from multiple directions. In Houston, where wind patterns can shift throughout the day, this multi-angle design is especially helpful. Instead of relying on a single flat window to bring in air, bay windows act like a natural air scoop. When you open the side panels, you create a pathway for cross-ventilation, allowing fresh air to flow into your home and stale air to move out. The result? A noticeable difference in how your living space feels. Encouraging cross-ventilation: one of the most effective ways to cool a home naturally is through cross-ventilation. This happens when air enters from one side of the house and exits through another, creating steady airflow. Bay windows make this easier to achieve. Because they extend beyond the home's exterior, bay windows can pull in breezes that standard windows might miss. When paired with another open window or door across the room, or even across the house, you create a natural cooling system. For Houston homeowners, this can mean fewer hours relying on air conditioning during milder days in spring and fall. Even during warmer months, improved airflow can reduce that heavy, stagnant feeling that humidity often brings indoors. Reducing indoor humidity is a constant challenge in Houston. Excess moisture in the air can make your home feel warmer than it actually is and may even contribute to issues like condensation and musty odors. By improving ventilation, bay windows help regulate indoor moisture levels. When you allow fresh air to circulate, you give trapped humidity a chance to escape. This can make rooms feel cooler and more comfortable, even when outdoor temperatures are high. In areas like kitchens and living rooms, where cooking, gatherings, and daily activities generate heat and moisture, bay windows can make a noticeable difference in air quality. Bringing in natural light and fresh air, ventilation and lighting often go hand in hand. Bay windows are known for increasing natural light because of their extended design and multiple glass panels. When you combine better airflow with abundant daylight, your home feels brighter, fresher, and more inviting. In Houston neighborhoods where homes are built close together, bay windows can also improve airflow by reaching slightly beyond the main wall line. This can help capture side breezes that might otherwise be blocked. The combination of light and air doesn't just improve comfort, it enhances your everyday experience at home. Supporting energy efficiency: while bay windows are excellent for ventilation, they can also support energy efficiency when properly installed with high-quality materials. Modern bay windows often include energy-efficient glass, insulated frames, and tight seals. This means you can enjoy improved airflow when you want it and reliable insulation when you don't. During cooler evenings, opening your bay windows allows you to bring in fresh air instead of running your HVAC system. Over time, this natural cooling approach can reduce wear on your equipment and help manage energy bills. For Houston homeowners who want both style and performance, bay windows offer a balanced solution. A comfortable, livable upgrade beyond their ventilation benefits, bay windows create additional interior space. Many homeowners use this area as a reading nook, seating space, or decorative focal point. When that cozy corner also benefits from fresh airflow, it becomes one of the most enjoyable spots in the house. If you're considering ways to improve indoor comfort in your Houston home, think beyond traditional window replacements. Bay windows don't just transform the look of your home, they help it breathe. In a climate where airflow and humidity control matter year-round, that's an upgrade worth considering.